Welcome to our MooCommerce tutorials. Now that you've set up everything from your MooCommerce store, it's time for us to manage it and ensure you're leveraging every bit of its power to streamline your business. Whether you're new to e-commerce or just brushing up your skills, understanding how to handle orders efficiently is crucial. So grab a coffee and let's familiarize yourself with each function. Now let's get started. Head over to your MooCommerce dashboard. This is your orders page, where all the action happens. You can see every order's status, customer name, date of purchase, total amount, and more. Each order here has a status, which tells you what's happening with the order. Let's break them down. Processing. An order is marked as processing once the payment is received for all payment methods except those completed upon delivery, like cash on delivery. On hold. This status is used when the order needs to be reviewed or payment confirmation is pending. Completed. The completed status signifies that the order has been shipped and received by the customer to their satisfaction. Refunded. If the order has been paid for and then refunded by the store administrator, it is marked as refunded. Now let's click on any order number to see the full details. Here, you can change the order status, modify the customer's details, add notes for personal reference or customer communication, and even handle refunds right from this screen. Remember, updating an order status and keeping your customers informed builds trust and improves satisfaction. Handling orders one by one is fine, but what if you have many? That's where bulk actions come in handy. Just select the orders you need to update, choose your action, and apply. It's a real-time saver looking for a specific order. Use the search and filter options. These tools are perfect for quickly finding exactly what you need without scrolling through endless lists. Communication is key. Adding notes to an order helps keep track of special instructions or updates. And if you need to resend an order confirmation or update email, you can do that right here with just a click. And there you have it. Managing orders in MooCommerce doesn't have to be complicated. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on running your online store. Drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Happy selling!